It all really began when I got an invitation from a gentleman I'd not met just yet. Gatsby.
Shall I lead you into his clutches?
Everybody has their version of the Great Gatsby in their mind.
There's anything that you want, just ask for it, old sport.
Wow, it's such a spectacle.
I've never seen anything like it.
You just get sucked into the world so easily.
Do you want to sit on the sideline and watch, or do you want to play ball?
Baz wanted to respect the historical milieu in which the story is set.
These things excite me so.
He also wanted it to feel incredibly contemporary.
See, I know your wife.
Not so.
Yes.
I always seem drawn to some kind of tragic romance.
On this champagne drunken. I'm certainly glad to see you again.
I'm certainly glad to see you as well.
Everybody see I love.
He threw all those parties hoping she'd wander in one night.
The world is so lush and yet so intimate that you feel like you're eavesdropping on these people's lives. He had an extraordinary sense of hope, but I had the uneasy feeling that he was guarding secrets.
Don't worry, old sport. Don't worry.
The thing about Gatsby is it's such a modern story.
Can't you see who this guy is?
It has passion, violence, and love.
Baz is so singular in his vision
Is all this made entirely from your own imagination?
and really knows how to suck you into this world.
Are we having a party?